Want to hide likes on Instagram Reel but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to hide likes on Instagram Reel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your device. Then click on your profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the reel that you want to hide likes of. Click on the three dot button which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see hide like to count others button. Click on it. And that's how you can hide likes on Instagram Reel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.